Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.6 question number 2. Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? Here you see. Here Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of a ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of a ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? Suppose Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter. Suppose this is a ribbon and Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter. 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter. Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter. What is the total length of ribbon? Suppose this is the length of Sarita, that is AB, that is 2 by 5 meter, and B to C is the length of the ribbon of Lalita, B to C. And what is the total length? Total length is AC, therefore AB plus BC. That is the total length of the ribbon. Therefore, the solution is Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon. 2 by 5 meter of ribbon. And Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. Therefore, total length of the ribbon they bought, total length of the ribbon they bought of the ribbon they bought will be addition of 2 by 5 meter, that is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. We'll add this as fraction. What is the procedure? First of all, you have to find the LCM of 5 and 4. Find the LCM of 5 and 4. 5 and 4. This number can only be divided by 1. 5, 4, 5, 4. Therefore, LCM is equal to 5 into 4, that is 20. 20 is the LCM. Therefore, we'll add this one, that it is 20. If we divide 20 by 5, it is 4. Therefore, 2 into 4 plus if we divide 20 by 4, it will 5. That is 5 into 3 into 3. Therefore, we are getting 2 4 is 8 plus 5 3 is 15 by 20, right? Therefore we are getting 8 plus 15, 23, 23 by 20 meter, 23 by 20 meter, or you can find the mixed fraction also, that is if I divide 23 by 20, we will find 21 ja 20, 23 minus 20 is 3, that is equal to 1 whole 3 by 20 by 20 meter, right? Therefore, let us repeat once again that Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. Therefore, total length of the ribbon they bought is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4, right? Therefore, the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Therefore, 20, if we divide it by 20 by 5, we will get 4, that is 2 into 4, plus, if we divide 20 by 4, that is 5, 5 into 3. Therefore, 2 4 is 8 plus 15 by 20. 8 plus 15 is equal to 23 by 20, right? Therefore, if we divide 23 by 20, 21 by 20, there is 1 whole 3 by 20 meter. This is the solution of question number 2 7.6.